Hey everyone, welcome to the Merk-Shop. I'm Aaron Merke, and today we're talking about 5 tips for stand-up comedy and writing. This is a series where I look at ideas from philosophy to personal growth, lessons I've learned, but hopefully something you can build upon. Welcome to the Merk-Shop. Everyone, welcome to the channel. My name's Aaron Merke, and today we're doing 5 stand-up tips. Tips for writing in stand-up. Okay? Okay. Number 1. Okay, schedule a time. Making a routine and scheduling a time is really important because it'll help you get to the goals, right? And here's a video on goals. You're trying to create a routine, and because you're trying to create a routine, you need a routine. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you need to write every day. If you want to be a stand-up comedian, writing is now your tool to access all your comedy. So sitting down for 20 minutes to 30 minutes, make sure it's a biteable, chewable piece of time. Don't do 2 hours because you burn yourself out, and that's what you're trying to avoid. No one likes to do homework. No one likes to burn themselves out. That makes you just want to avoid doing it. Maybe 3 or 4 times a week. I'm a routine pig, so man, I like to wake up at 4 a.m. I get things done early because I get it out of my brain. I do recommend getting it done early because I get it out of my brain, and then the rest of the day I get to succeed because I've done the one task that I need to do every day towards my goals, right? So I get to feel happy about myself. I'm happy. It's like making your bed every day. It's like I made my bed. I've done that. So I haven't failed at that, right? So anyway, get a routine, write every day, get it done. I say early, but whenever you can, maybe before bed, who knows? But make sure you get your writing done every day, or at least 3 to 4 times a week. Bite-sized pieces, right? There you go. That's it. Number 2, block it out. Blocking out is important. It's something I've learned that I've done my whole life, but really understood it recently. So blocking out is something I use when I'm sculpting. So I sculpt for my special effects makeup career. So in sculpting, if you wanted to create a horse or a statue of a horse, you just start throwing pieces of clay up. You don't think about it. You just, I know what a horse looks like, or you get a picture of a horse and you start like, okay, yeah, I just need the shape of a horse. You don't start doing the detail of the eye first. You literally have to get the shape of the horse out first. Same thing with jokes. You have to get the idea before you start forming it and formatting it. You have to get the ideas out. So doing a block chunks and just little chunks of writing is helpful. It's necessary. So like for myself the other day, I wrote down baby ear pierced. I want to write a chunk on baby's ear pierced, right? So it's just an idea. So writing down a bunch of different chunks of ideas, making them general or stereotypes, if you will. Like looking at this is a good place to look at yourself. Who am I? Who am I to other people? Why am I different? Why am I the same? Like just looking at all the different avenues and the different ways of looking at things is necessary for this job. So yeah, so write it out, block it out first, right? If you're liking this information and you're getting something from it, hit the like. If you're getting something from this video, hit the like button. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. There you go. Number 3, start by just writing. Don't give it an idea or where it's supposed to be. Don't have it a focus on it. Just write. Writing out what your thoughts are, what you're feeling, that kind of thing will help you just create the routine that you need to do. Don't put focus on writing jokes. You can always go back and look at what you wrote and make fun of yourself or turn it into something. Right? Like being sincere and like maybe it's sad, maybe it's happy, maybe it's like angry. Who knows? But just writing that first little chunk and just getting the rhythm going of that is important, right? Like giving yourself ideas. It's warming up. It's basically warming up. Bruce Lee says, have no limitation as limitation, have no way as way. So don't put restrictions around yourself. You need to be free and creative and open and just try. If you need to doodle. If you need to like make a Venn diagram, make a Venn diagram. Don't have a focus or a structure or anything. Just get it out. Get the ideas and the flow going. It's way more important. Like, don't censor yourself. Make it dark, make it dank, make it creepy, make it smelly. I don't know. I don't know, funny. Like, but don't, it will happen, right? It will happen. You're just freebirding it. Just letting it out. Letting it hang out. Cool? Number 4. Write with a paper and pen. The reason why I say write with a paper and pen, it is cognitively better for your brain to write with a paper and pen. You're actually training your brain in different ways than you would if you were writing on a computer or texting. Yeah, if you write with a paper and pen, you're also more fluid. You can do different things. You can doodle, like I said. You can have no limitations, right? And make sure you have a journal, and you can just like, you can be quick. You can be like, oh, I have an idea, quick, I'll write it down, right? So writing with a paper and pen is important. So you carry a notebook on you. It's also something I teach when I teach memorization, when you're memorizing the script. If you write out your lines of dialogue, you're more able to access it later when you're trying to regurgitate these words of dialogue because you've written it out. It's because it's accessing multiple levels of your brain. It's just better for you. Yeah, that's my piece on that. Number 5, make sure you have a phone. I know I just talked about writing in your book, but make sure you have a phone where if you don't have your book on you, you can write out, you can text yourself an idea, or you can voice record yourself, voice recorder, or videotape yourself for your sets too. And seeing the process and seeing that, making sure you have your phone with you and being able to write on yourself and start that routine as well, it's important. Yeah, because also if you stop in the moment, you're also training your brain. You're training your brain and the muscle memory of your brain to go, hey, here's an idea. Check this idea out. And you just say, oh, cool, an idea. And you write it out. Yeah, you're training your brain to think like expansively, right? Like looking, searching. Your brain is now Google looking for jokes. That's what you're trying to do. Cool? Cool. I have one tip, and I'm not getting money for this. So, you know, what you could do to help me get money is subscribe to this channel. But I'm not getting money for this, but I suggest getting Evernote. Evernote is a great app. It allows you to write, text, draw, take pictures, voice record. It's a great app. So I suggest getting Evernote. I don't know, it's free. It's free. I know there's a free version. I use a free version. I've never used the paid version, and I don't know what it comes with. So that's that. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more kind of stuff like this, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everyone. Bye.